Sharp? Sharper? Yes, it is sharper. Now I add this column here. What should happen now? Will it become deeper? Deep and sharp both? Okay, deeper than the previous one or the sharper than the previous one?
Deeper than the previous one.
Deeper than the previous one. Everyone thinks so? Any other guess? Okay. Right, we can see some change in the sound. Okay, if I ask you, why did that happen?
The
Is
sound
it-
has to travel a larger distance.
Larger distance. See, even we did not, which grade you are in? Sixth.
Going to 7.
Going to the 7. But this usually we teach in 9th grade or 8th grade, sound chapter. But you are intuitively able to guess, what is happening. So basically length of this pipe is increasing and it's becoming deeper and deeper. Sound is becoming deeper, right? Later we'll understand why this deeper sound is also, connected to the vibrations also, the frequencies also. Frequency is decreasing. So all those signs can be, visualized, can be experienced through this simple, activities. Also one more. Okay, am I audible by the way? It's too hard for me to kind of bend and... Audible? Okay, I'll try to be even more louder. Okay, this is far better. These are just a system of foam pieces, one skewer, wooden one, and one magnet, ring magnet. You must have seen those ring magnets in toys or somewhere, right? And one pen, the cheapest pen that is available in the market. Okay? Now, what I have done is, I have arranged it in a way which looks little like this. Now, I do this and see what happens. What is happening? It's levitating, right? It's not falling. Is it?
Magnets are attracting, no.
Why is it happening now?
The magnets are attracting each other.
Is it attracting or repulsing?
Repulsing.
Okay, how many of you think it is repulsing? Just raise of hand. Oh wow. Repulsion or attraction?
Repulsing.
Okay, now, how many of you think it is because of attraction this is getting levitating? How many of you think attraction, the force, right? Only one, you are alone, is it? No one thinks attraction. One more is there, very nice. What's your logic for this?
Sir, I think if it was repelling, that the pen would have fallen down.
Okay, very nice.
It wouldn't have stayed close to that.
Oh, very nice. You are very close, at least. Okay, what's your opinion?
As the magnet is being levitated, it means the magnet does not have force to take it away.
Okay. So actually, it's you both are right. So please clap for them. Very nice. So it's an attraction force. Why not repulsion? Because if it was repulsion, already gravity is trying to pull it, and then repulsive forces will also try to push it, so it will fall. It's an attraction which is trying to attract this magnet weight plus the pen weight towards itself, and the gravity is trying to pull it. Hence, these forces are getting balanced, and that's why it's levitating. So even it's a very simple activity, but so many of us were thought actively, but maybe our logic was not in that direction where it lead us to the correct answer. So we make very simple activities like this. I saw someone holding one stethoscope also. This is our DIY stethoscope. It works on the same principle like how any doctor's stethoscope works. Yeah? Okay. Come. Put it. Yeah. Okay. Can you hold it?
You only use it. Put it in your ears.
Wanna see my heartbeat? Closely up. Yeah? You can hear?
Beating or not?
Is it doing lub dub, that sound? Very feeble, right? Very nice.
Check for her.
Yeah, check for her. Maybe I am speaking, so my heartbeat is quite elevated right now. So theirs might be quite relaxed. But the point is, using balloon, a transparent pipe, and arranging in a specific way, we are able to recreate the same stethoscope that doctors are using. The same principle, basically the reflection of sounds. And this vibration is giving the, the sound waves. This just makes us, creative. Creative in a sense, whatever materials are available around my home, in my school, in my surrounding, I can use it to make a working model, which I can demonstrate anywhere. And just not make the model, as well as, learn some science out of it. Here, this activity we give generally to those students who are studying transportation, right? What do you call the, how this heart is working, how this blood is getting transported from one place to another place. Although this can be used in the sound chapter also. So each and every activity is linked to some concepts, some chapter. I will not go more than this. I think there is a time limit for. But there are a lot of materials are there. You can check that out if you find it useful for your grade, or there are fun activities which can also be used, for anyone who wants to do some meaningful, fun activity during their summer holiday. All the best, enjoy, and thank you for listening to me.